Hello everyone, welcome to Unified Study. So your exam date for UGC NET already released, form fill up also started. Now how to fill the form, and there are so many changes happen in this exam. First of all, it will be in OMR sheet mode. It will be good or bad, how you should prepare yourself. And there are other changes also. The fourth semester students are those who are doing 4 years degree program. Those who are in 8th semester, they can also attempt this exam. So it can impact your competition or not. What can be happen and how to fill the form, what are the procedure you have to do, everything I am going to tell you in this video. Please watch the video till the end and definitely subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon to get all the latest update notification and to prepare yourself free of cost for paper 1 and computer science. As you can see, 45 days free crash course is available in this channel. Definitely start watching now for computer science. And for paper 1 also, the crash course and this paper 1, those both playlists are available for you. Definitely start watching so that you can crack this exam. And those who are planning to join our paid course, you can visit our website unifiedstudy.com. 20% discount is going on. You can visit this website. This is the 2-month fees. You can see here for paper 1. This is 2 months for paper 2 and this is for computer science. After that also you will get 20% discount on it. So it is 2,999. Actually you can get here 20% discount, means 600 discount. After that it will be 2,400. So within that you can join our course for 2 months so that you can prepare yourself, because in this course you will get complete course. It is not only PYQS. Whatever we have completed till now, all that recorded version are available, and the live classes are going on also. Per day 3 to 4 classes, minimum 3 classes we are taking. For computer science 2 classes, paper 1 class, and now I am taking computer science 3 classes for revision, practice, PYQS, and we are providing mock test also, weekly mock test, subject wise mock test, full length mock test, everything is here. So definitely you can utilize this course with very minimal charge. Now 20% discount is going on. You can take this course. So here I am coming to the details of each and everything. I know that so many confusions are going on between you all. First of all, the examination will be in OMR sheet, and that is definitely good thing. I am telling you, this is definitely good thing. Ultimately NTA understand that they will be not able to conduct this exam because number of students are very huge, number of students are there, and this time number of students will increase more because of this much changes. Because nowadays now it will be PhD also will be eligible, means in this category those who are going to PhD, they will also attempt this exam. Those who are doing 4 years degree program, they will also attempt the exam. Previously we saw from last few years there are so many technical issue happening, and that's why students are suffering. When you will go for this OMR sheet mode, and it will be definitely good for you, because there will be no system issue, system shutdown, system scrolling issue, mouse not working, lots of technical issue every time happening. So it's a good change. I will say definitely it's a good thing. They understand that yes, their capability, they don't have that capability, and that's why they are going with this one. And even also in the pen and paper mode, another opportunity is also there. You can solve your question in the paper only, and you can do it, so that your calculative question like DI question, math question, so many things will be easy for you, because in the screen you are not able to do calculation, you have to do in this area. It is good. Definitely this is good. Always remember, old is gold. And this opportunity you are getting means it is a good thing. There will be no tension of system problem, system issue. Previously whatever problem was happening, now there is no tension. So always good. So now you can practice with the paper also. There will be no break, 3 years exam. So ultimately they will provide you one question paper, where paper 1, paper 2 together, I think it will be there. Total 150 question will be there. You have to attempt this question according to your sequence. You can do it, and you have to submit after 3 hours. Now what is the eligibility? Eligibility is here 30 years, 30 years for everyone, and women's, SC, ST, PWD, for them 5 years relaxation, means 35 years. That is for JRF, guys. This is for JRF. There is no upper age limit for assistant professor or for admission in PhD. So when you are getting form, you can apply if you are applying for JRF, and always if your eligibility is there, if your age is within this range, like 35 years for women, PW, DSC, ST, those who are in 30 years for other candidate, definitely apply for first category, that is JRF and assistant professor and PhD. Everything you can get the opportunity. It's not like that if you are not applying here but you are getting that good score, but you will miss this one, because same exam, same paper, but 3 opportunities are there. So definitely apply for this one, because if you are not eligible, then you will be qualified the second category or third category. But if you are not applying, then you will miss this one. So definitely apply for the first category if your age is there. If there is no age, then you should apply for this second category, that is assistant professor. This is the first thing. Next thing is that these are the all document what you need before submitting your form. This all the documents you have to collect, and you have to take it as a soft copy before filling your form. Definitely take it. Here is another changes that so many questions, so many videos was uploaded. Negative marking, negative marking. No negative marking. There is no negative marking. All will be positive. So definitely attempt all the exam. If there is any problem, then they will drop the question. That is also given. It will be more fair case, because in one day question exam will be in one day only. There will be no slot, nothing. Every exam, all the exam will be conducted in one day. So only one question. There will be no multiple question paper, no multiple slot. Fair case, completely fair case it will be. So here there is the 55%. What is the eligibility? 55% without any round off for the master degree or equivalent. For OBC, SC, ST, there is 50% without round off. So it is in master degree. Those who are doing the 4 years or 8 semester bachelor degree, means BTech students, and now whatever 4 years degree program started, they are also eligible to attempt this exam, but hey, their marks should be 75%. Definitely, because nowadays in this bachelor degree 75% is the minimum score everyone is getting. So 75% aggregate should be there. Relaxation is there for 5%, means SC, ST, OBC or non-creamy, they have to get 70%. Now the question is moving on everywhere, so competition will be more. Definitely competition will be more. Those who want to do PhD, they have to also attempt this exam. Those who are here in this 4 years degree program, they will also attempt this exam. Especially for computer science, they are going to attempt this exam. So definitely competition will be definitely more. In the category 1, you can see the JRF, already we told JRF, assistant professor and PhD all are eligible. So definitely apply for category 1. Category 2, no JRF, only assistant professor and PhD. Category 3, only PhD. So why I will miss it? Definitely apply for the first category if you are eligible, so that you will be eligible for everything. That is more good. And marks, about marks, when you are and for this exam you will get this opportunity for getting this fellowship, like you can see national fellowship for the scheduled caste student, that is NFSC fellowship, and NFOBC fellowship is also there, and for the PWD that fellowship is also there. So those who are in this category, definitely apply for your exam, and with this same exam score you will be able to get this fellowship. Other than JRF, there are other fellowships also. This fellowship automatically they are giving a list after the exam, if you crack this exam and if your score is good, definitely you have to focus on a good score. Don't think that any score anyhow I will crack. No. And it is also going on, acha, for PhD there is nothing everyone can get. Is it possible? Everyone, if you are attempting this exam, you will get this PhD. It is not possible, never possible, because definitely you need to get a good score. Your score matters. Definitely if you are not getting good score, you will be not able to get chance in PhD, because there is also competition, there will be also limited seat. So always you should focus in good score, high score. For computer science, I will suggest you, definitely your target will be more than 200, like 220 to 230. That should be your target. Out of 300, you should prepare yourself such a way so that you will be safe. Forget about everything. I am SC, ST, OBC, in which category. For everyone I am telling you, you should focus yourself. You should fix your target like this way, so that you can avail all this opportunity, because your competition will be more. So these are the all changes. Now the exam date already here released. You saw the exam date already in this public notice, that yes, exam is going to be conducted. Examination date is on 16th June, right? So 16th June, only one day exam. There will be only one day, 16th June, one day exam for everyone all over the India. Everyone will attempt with same paper. For paper 1, same common paper. For paper 2, there will be different. So now you have how many days? This is 21st April. Near about 9 days is there in this April. Month of May 30 days. Month of June you have 15 days. So here 30 plus 15, 45 days, plus 10 days, 55 days you have. In these 55 days, if you are planning properly, if you are starting preparation properly, if you are dedicating yourself properly, then also you can crack this exam. It is possible, but you have to dedicate yourself. So here 10th April, 20th April already it started. You can come to this website and you can see there the application already started. This is UGC NET Online.in. I am giving the link in the description below. Definitely start your registration. You can do your registration properly. At the time of registration, all the document, collect your document properly and then upload all the documents. Don't do any mistakes. All these things, definitely go through it. And the fees is this 1150. See that when general category 1150, that is your only form fill up. Then why we are charging this only 1499? After that also 20% discount for paper 1, and combo batch 2999, 20% discount. You will get it 2400 with super 20. What is our code? You can apply the code, that is super 20. Using this code you can get 20% discount. So definitely take it now, avail it now, so that you can crack this exam. You can join with us. Everything included here in this course, where we are taking combo. Completely combo offer is there. You should go for combo, where paper 1, paper 2 both will be happen. After taking your course, you can install our app. From website you have to pay. After that you can install our app in this Google Play. You can go to this, you can install your app, and after installing you can log in. You can attend the classes from the app also. Windows app is also there. You can go for Windows app also, or you can go do from the website, but we will suggest that definitely install your app, but payment will be done from the website only. Okay, thank you. I hope your all the doubts are clear. And those who are going for PDF only, so for PDF, this is the course, only PDF, that is for this 45 days crash course. Only PDF that is available here for 999, but here no discount. There is no discount for this one. So you can come to here, you can join our course, and you can start your preparation. Thank you. Bye bye. See you soon in our next video.